Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to have so much fun. We will draw and color some fruits and we will also learn their names. Are you ready? Let's start with the grapes. First we draw circles like these. Very good. You did it very well. Very good. Then we draw stem and next we draw leaves. Very good. Let's color the grapes purple. Try to stay inside the lines like these and don't cross the lines. What did we just draw? Grapes. Yes, say it with me. Grapes. Very good. This is the grapes. Excellent. Then we use green color for the leaves. Very good. Then we use brown color for the stem. Very good. Next, let's draw the pineapple. It is a bit oval shape with a pointy leaves on top and a pattern on its body. Like these. Let's color the pineapple yellow. Very good. What is this yummy fruit called? Pineapple. Say it with me. Pineapple. Very good. That's good. Then we use green color for the leaves. Very good. Try to stay inside the lines. Our next fruit is an avocado. Avocado has a big seed inside. Very good. That's good. First we choose brown color for the seed. Like these. Then we will use green or light green color for this fruit. First we use light green color for the inner part. What did we just draw? An avocado. Just say it with me. Avocado. Very good. Then we use green color for the outer part. Color in one direction to make it neat. Very good. Now let's draw peach. Like this. Then we draw stem and the leaf. Very good. Let's color our peach with orange color. Very good. Color in one direction to make it neat. What did we just draw? Peach. Say it with me. Peach. We use brown color for the stem and green color for the leaf. Very good. Our next fruit is an apple. First we draw it. Then we draw stem and the leaf. Very good. Let's color our apple light green. Try to stay inside the lines. What did we just draw? Apple. Say it loudly. Apple. Very good. Then we use brown color for the stem and green color for the leaf. Very good. Last but not the least, banana. First we draw it. Very good. Then we use yellow color for the banana. What is this long curved fruit that monkeys love? Banana. Yes, say it with me. Banana. Color in one direction to make it neat. Very good. Then we use black marker to make it stand out. Very good. You did it very well. That's good. And there you have it. Your fruits are ready. Allah Hafiz.